this hackathon with more than 30 students from French University Télécom St. Étienne, and it's a really nice opportunity for them because they get access to all these nice equipment, sensors, cables, and they can realize their own projects. This hackathon we focus on vision projects, and for this we offer many sensors and equipment. So for example, here we have this vision starter kit, including an inspector camera with a lot of tools and also AI functions, and yeah, it makes it really easy for this hackathon because we have everything in one place and you don't need to walk around, look for cables or stuff, so it makes it a lot easier for the groups.
I'm currently working with my team on the automation of a robot. It's like a vacuum robot we can have in our boxes. And we have a LiDAR on it. Our goal is to detect if we have an object or something else in front of our robot.
Of the project is to win take the tic-tac-toe, and it's an AI agent to win. It's interesting to see that a lot of things are already code, so it's helpful, and yeah, we can easily think with the sensors of SICK.
Has been fun working and discovering what it can do.
All throughout the week was pretty interesting to work with all different technologies. I haven't been able to do that in class, so I think it's quite enjoyable to do that with people who knows about it.